Hey guys, what's up? This is a tutorial for Tap In by Sweetie. It is an intermediate hip hop combo, 8/8 counts. I have Teja here and Claire. Let's get into it. All right, this is part one with counts. We're gonna step forward with our left foot, swinging your hands. A 1 and 2. Shake it to the left. 3 and a 4. Hop on the left foot. 5 and push. 6 and step. 7 and 8. From here, we're going to step forward with that left foot. A 1 and a 2. Step and 3 and 4 and left foot behind. 5 out. 6. A 7 and 8. Cool. Let's do that all together from the top. And it's a 5, 6, 7, 8. We go a 1 and 2. 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left foot 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 out. 6, a 7 and 8.
MOB, I see gang on your time. Yeah. Tap, 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 got it. Itty bitty wax. Pretty in the fight. Never let a broke nigga take you on his tape. Haters can't relate, but I'm never gonna say. I got a real nigga put an ice in my eye. I see from my lips.
All right, y'all, nice work. Let's move on to part two. So we just did a 7 and 8. And from here, we're going to step with that right foot, crossing our arms in front. 1 and hop on the left foot. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, push back, 7 and 8. Yeah. And just to kind of give you some clarity on that, the lyrics are saying, I see from my lips to my fingers to my toe. So you're kind of going along with the words on that. Moving on, we just push back to 7 and 8. We're going to jump out, scooping our arms. A 1, pull 2, feet come together. Do a little shmurda dance. A 3 and a 4. From here, brushing back, step with the left foot again. 5 and 6, and scoop it up 7. To the back on 8. Let's do those 2 8 counts all together. So we just did a 7 and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, push it, 7, jump out, 1, 2, a 3 and a 4, brush it, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna take it from the top with counts, and then we'll try music. And it's a 5, 6, 7, 8. We go a 1 and 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left foot 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 out. 6, a 7 mute part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, push 7 and jump out. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. Brush it 5, 6 up, 7, 8.
Tap, tap, tap in. MOB, I see gang on your time again. Yeah. Tap, 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 got it. Itty bitty wax. Pretty in the fight. Never let a broke nigga take you on his tape. Haters can't relate, but I'm never gonna say. I got a real nigga put an ice in my eye. I see from my lips to my fingers to my toenails. Trippin' and shenanigans, this ain't going on myself. These hoes busy, baby, I do not do friends well. Got a nigga thinking, but I promise that I won't tell.
All right, so this is part 3. We're here facing the back. On 1, 2, we're gonna kind of lean forward with our finger in front of our mouth. The music says shh, so we're gonna do that. 1, 2. From here, we're gonna do a reject, arms or whatever you want. 3 and 4 and from here, hit a pose on 5, whatever you like. 5. You're gonna point and step with your left foot on 6. Flick it away and 7. Knock your head down 8. Smack it up on a 1. top with counts. And it's a 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and left foot 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Push 7. Jump out. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. Brush 5, 6, up 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Woo!
Yeah. MLB, I see gang niggas tap in. Yeah. Tap, tap, tap. Got it. Itty bitty waist. Pretty in the face. Never let a broke nigga take you on a date. Haters can't relate, bitch, I'll never be fake. I got a real nigga putting icing on my heart. Icy from my lips to my fingers to my toenails. Dripping in Chanel, this ain't going on sale. All these hoes busy, baby, I do not do friends well. Got a nigga icy, but I promise that I won't tell. Now what's my favorite word? Icy. Bitch gon' smile, but I know she don't like me. 200 for a verse, bitch, I'm way too pricey. Fuck, I'm gonna bring back hyphy.
Alright, good job guys. We're going to finish it up. 2 more 8 counts left. This is part 4. From here, we were just kind of hitting our little fizzle dance. We're going to keep doing that for 4 counts. So we go a 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to jump in. Body roll 5, sit 6. Hop up, smacking 7 and 8 in. Make sure you're nice and low and you're popping that booty. Yeah? So once again, that was just, we were here. We went 7, 8. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, 5, 6, smack it, 7 and 8 in. Nice, yeah, 4 smacks there. From here, we finish it out by just doing that sneeze, going right, left, and you guys can kind of add your arms how you feel. But it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And obviously you can freestyle out of that. And that's the whole thing. Great job.
Tap, tap, tap in. MLB, I see gang niggas tap in. Yeah. Tap, tap, tap. You got an itty bitty waist. Pretty in the face. Never let a broke nigga take you on a date. Haters can't relate, bitch, I'll never been fake. I got a real nigga putting icing on my cake. Icy from my lips to my fingers to my toenails. Dripping in Chanel, this ain't going on sale. All these hoes boozy, baby, I do not do friends well. Lot of niggas pussy, but I promise that I won't tell. Now what's my favorite word? Icy. Bitch gon' smile, but I know she don't like me. 200 for a verse, bitch, I'm way too pricey. Fuck around and bring back hyphy. Little waist, fat ass, bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Fucking nigga, get rich, bitch, tap